Good afternoon. Are you getting my voice? Is it clear? Okay. Any doubts? Any concept? Or you'll solve one problem. Okay. So start one question. Kaushik Babu, again you can send which one, which topic you need. Array class start at 2:30. I didn't see any change. Huh? Wait. Then I will wait. Huh? I thought maybe class is 2:25. That's why 2:20 I thought. Let you know that one. The screen, is it visible or not my screen? Fine. మీ నేమ్తో వచ్చింది మీ నేమ్తో వచ్చింది Okay. Is it visible my screen first? Check it. Someone they said no screen, that's why. Huh? Otherwise I won't ask. Anyway, I hope signal is good. I'm expecting. Now we are doing volume strength, I think so. We didn't done single problem also, I hope. We done any problem? We didn't done, na? Okay, fine. Suppose think so this is we discussed volume strength, discuss this is everything. I think so you can check it. Finally, I given this is the formula. I hope you noted down. Next, after that, we started this one volume strength of H2O2 into volume of H2O2 equal to volume of O2 at HTP. This is given. Please note down this formula. Volume strength of H2O2 equal to volume of H2O2. Sorry, volume strength of H2O2 into volume of H2O2 equal to volume of O2 at HTP. This is only you can note down that formula. I will explain that is. Just note down that term. Only this, which is a square bracket. If you done that is, let me know that one. I can explain what is the meaning of that one. I'm going to be explain meanings. Yes, sir. This is stoichiometry only, ma'am. Stoichiometry only. This is stoichiometry only, like stoichiometry. If you completed that one line, let me know that one. Completed? You noted down? This is yesterday one. Today I didn't start. This is yesterday one. This is yesterday one, not today one. Okay. I'm asking today, just you can note down only this is the point. We are continuing yesterday class. We are continuing yesterday class. Just you are continuing yesterday class. And I think so. This line you noted down. Just continue our class. Fine. Now we can check it. So please look into here. Array 20 volume meaning 20 volume H2O2. Meaning, I am writing meaning, sir. This is means. Please note down everyone. Either 1 liter, if that based on question, 1 liter of H2O2, 1 liter of H2O2 will provide or produce 20 liters of O2. 20 liters of O2. Understood this meaning? This volume indicating oxygen, sir. Oxygen. Okay. If you are taking liters, this should be liters. If you are taking ml, suppose you may can take ml also. 1 ml H2O2. H2O2 will produce 20 ml O2. If you are taking ml means we will get ml term. If you are taking liters means we will get liters. Based on question you can take, but that meaning is 1 liter of H2O2 will produce 20 liters of O2. That is the meaning, sir. I am giving one more point. Okay. 20 ml of 10 volume H2O2. What is the meaning, sir? This is 20 ml of 10 ml 10 volume H2O2. So either you can use formula. What is the formula, sir? Volume strength of H2O2 into volume of H2O2 equal to volume of O2. Okay. You may can use this formula or directly you can use definition also. Hey, Girish Kannan, Girish Kannan, don't change, which is I'm giving. Okay, that is volume strength. We are measuring concentration of H2O2 in terms of water volume, oxygen. In terms of oxygen, we are measuring. Volume strength is a special case I told you, na? We are measuring volume strength means concentration of H2O2. We are measuring in terms of O2. Clear? That's why we are using this term. This is special case I told you starting of the yesterday only I told you, sir. Very clearly I told you yesterday only. This is special method. We are going to be express concentration or whatever H2O2 about that one in terms of oxygen. So this meaning, sir. What is the 10 volume of H2O2 means? First you can give meaning. So this is ml I am taking means 1 ml H2O2 will give how much? 1 ml H2O2 will give 10 volume means how many ml of oxygen? Answer 10. Very good, sir. Right, 10 volume means 10 ml oxygen only. That's simple thing you can remember. 1 ml H2O2 will give 10 ml of O2. Then question is what is that, sir? 20 ml of 10 volume H2O2 means 1 ml give this much means 20 ml of H2O2 will give how much? Okay, this is x. X equal to 10 into 200, sorry 20 na, is equal to 200 ml of O2 to produce. Same thing you may can see here, formula you are writing, sir. Volume strength of H2O2, volume strength of H2O2 into volume of H2O2 equal to volume of O2. Clear? You make a check volume strength how much here? 10. This is volume strength, sir. So 10. What's the volume of H2O2 here? 20 ml. That's nothing but equal to volume of O2. How much you are getting? 200 ml. Because this is ml. Clear? This is the answer. Either you can use formula or you may can remember meaning that one. 10 volume means 1 ml gives 10 ml of O2. That's the meaning, sir. First, this is meaning. Okay. I explained two methods. With respect to meaning, I explained. With respect to formula, we explained. Which is your comfort, you make and try it. Arey Kavin, we'll discuss those things later. C means chemistry. Huh? C means chemistry only. Fine. Any other? Devadarshan, one more time I am going to be explain for you. Please look into here. Yes, yes, correct. Unit based on question. Correct, correct. Then you have to discuss everything here. Already yesterday class only spent this everything for to this one. Again means that difficult. So given you may can check it. Video also I uploaded that one. You can look one or twice. If any doubt is there in this case, volume strength case, that is I can explain. Because yesterday whole 1 hour I spent only because of this one. Other people may can feel bored. Try to understand. Because of this, to avoid these things, I uploaded for you people, sir. 1 or 2 persons you may not be understand. That's why I uploaded today morning. I think so. I'm going to be upload today, sir. Okay. Today I'm going to be upload. You may can see that is. Yeah, I will get today evening. But we can see meaning that one. What is I am going to discuss here. I hope you noted down. Devadarshan, please look into here. Very simple this is. They will give 20 volume, 30 volume like that, sir. 20 volume. This is the special method for H2O2. We are getting a 5 normal or 10M or 0.5 normal like that we are giving. Like this is for H2O2, this is special 20 volume H2O2. Okay, 20 volume of H2O2 or 20 volume H2O2 or 30 volume H2O2. Like that they will mention, sir. They will mention this is that meaning you have to know that one. 30 volume means 1 ml H2O2 will give 30 ml of O2. That's the meaning that one. This indicate 30 indicate what is that? Volume strength. Volume strength means for whom that is volume you are calculating for oxygen. So you have to know that one. Volume strength meaning that is for oxygen. So H2O2. 30 volume H2O2 means 1 ml H2O2 will provide 30 ml of O2. That is the meaning. Here I mentioned 10 volume H2O2 means 1 ml H2O2 will give 10 ml of O2. Then 20 ml of 10 volume means what does this indicate? Concentration. What is the strength of H2O2? This means 10 volume means it will provide only 10 ml of oxygen. 1 ml O2 H2O2 will provide 10 ml. Then 20 ml provide how much? 1 ml is 10 volume meaning I wrote, sir. 1 ml H2O2 will provide 10 ml of oxygen. Then 20 volume H2O2 will provide how much? This is according to definition. If you don't, means you didn't remember, you didn't get this point, means you can remember this formula. Volume strength, which is a 10 volume, which is volume they mentioned, that is volume strength. Blindly you can remember. Volume strength they given, then volume of H2O2 they mention, how many ml, substitute, will get answer. You can solve one or two problems. You may can check it later. Today I will upload this video also for you people. Look that one or twice, you may can get. Still you are not getting, let me know that. Okay, one big relation I given, na? H2O2. What is that big relation, sir? Again, I am writing for you. 1.7 W by V percent of H2O2 surfaces or equal to 17 gram per liter of H2O2 only. Everything is H2O2 only of H2O2 or 1 normal of H2O2 or 0.5 m of H2O2 will produce 5.6 liters of O2 or 8 grams of oxygen. So means this is the volume strength, which is the capacity of H2O2. How much volume of oxygen they can provide? That we call volume strength. Capacity of H2O2. One H2O I am taking. How much oxygen will produce? That is the capacity of H2O2. Okay. For example, here we are going to be get questions, sir. I am going to give some questions. You can check it. If you know normality, are very simple questions they are going to be asked. They won't ask very difficult. Normality, how to get, you should be know that one. If once you know normality, how much oxygen you are getting, you can find out. Is it correct or not? One normal equal to how much oxygen, sir? 5.6 liter. Or one normal equal to how much strength? 17 gram per liter. One normal equal to how much, sir? 1.7 W by V percent of H2O2. If you know normality, I can do everything whatever I requirement. Otherwise, I know oxygen, I can do everything whatever they are providing. Is it correct? If you know this relation, then only you can get everything, sir. This relation derivation I given yesterday. This relation alone derivation I provided yesterday. So now we are solving one problem. So our target is normality. If they mention anything, are H2O2 can act as oxidizing agent or reducing agent? Can I give anyone answer, please? H2O2 can act as oxidizing agent or reducing agent? Gayatri. Check it still. Ashwin, Girish Khanna. Correct, sir. Those people who are given, those are correct answers. Answer is both. What is the oxidation state of oxygen? -1. It can go up to -2. It may can reach up to 0 also. Correct or not? So there -2 means gaining of electrons, oxidizing agent. 0 means loss of electrons, reducing agent. So it can act as both oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. It can act as both, sir. So I may can do H2O2 plus KMnO4. You can take in presence of acidic medium. You may can get here acidic medium means what is the Mn, sir? How much will get Mn oxidation state? +3, +4, +5, +2. What will get here Mn? Acidic medium. +2. Ashwin, you need to refer properly class notes. That is fixed, na? Always acidic medium +2. They won't get change. N factor is +5. That's we can get. Plus H2O. Plus O2 will get. H2O2 convert into O2, sir. You can take O2, sir. So this is strong oxidizing agent. KMnO4 is strong oxidizing agent than H2O2. Clear? That's why this gaining of electrons occurs. Oxygen is loss of electron can occurs. For the H2O2 N factor. What is the N factor for H2O2? Please can you check it? N factor for H2O2. Arey, Pranav, we are giving all answers. A correct answer which is I have to choose. We are giving options. Okay. Means you may can check it again. Array N factor should not give positive negative. That number you just have to give number. Fine. 2 N factor. You can get -1. This is 0. The difference we are getting -1 to 0. Please can you find -1 to 0? What is the N factor? Change. 1. But how many oxygens? 2. 2 into 1. 2, sir. Finally N factor. Got it? So now we are going to be solve one question. Please check it and try this question. Array, I will rough it. Already answer is don't copy that one. I am going to rough that one. Then try this question. Yeah, I will give some more questions also. Your target should be either normality. Titration means you have to get normality or molarity. That's very simple. How to get that normality molarity? You know very well. Gn of 1 equal to Gn of 2. You know very well that is. I will show question. I will show that one. Don't worry. I will show that question. Please check it. N factor is 2 I wrote. Plus note down this question. I will show that one. Array is visible all the question. Wait. This is the question, sir. This is iodine weight. 127 is iodine weight. A, B, C. I given 3 questions. Very simple. Your target is finding out normality. That's enough. After that, once you got normality, you can do everything. Which equation? Okay, how to find out redox reaction factor you are not getting? The screen is not visible. Is it visible or not my screen? Yeah. You may can check it, maybe your internet may be weak. Right, today you can't say my internet is weak. Huh? I came to city today, from my village to city, so you can't say that word. Yes. Now can you see? Alright, you can see in fact how to calculate will given here. This equation they will provide in examination. They will provide equation. Clear. So you have to calculate oxidation state of each component, then calculate difference in oxidation number. Here -1, here 0. That equation you don't want to think, that will provide in examination. But think how to calculate n factor. Just change in oxidation number is the n factor. Don't think about equation. That equations we are going to learn how to write also. That's soon. Not this is the first chapter. We have later chapters. At the chapters we will get all these equations. Wins correct answer. Even Priyadarshan correct answer. Molarity we are getting 10. But man, someone they asked in Telugu also fine, but very simple. We have already good experience how to use GN. You can try it. Why can't? From equivalent number of H2O2 equal to gram equivalent number of I2. Is clear? Array, this is not first time I am discussing Cl2, I2, Br2. N factors how much, sir, for these people generally? Suppose these are converted to gaining of electron. How much N factor we are getting? General N factor 2. That going to be oxidation too much means that is different. They are going reduction means they are getting N factor is 2. N factor is 2, sir. They are getting gaining of electron means N factor is 2. Now we can check. This is Gn. The given volume means I have to get Gn means I have to write only the formula N into V only. Any other chance is there? Because here volume they given means I have to use N into V. This is ml, sir. If ml means supposed to be this is liters, is it correct? Then I can use here grams. Here weight they given means you have to use weight by gram equivalent weight. They just choose that formula, suitable formula. Here weight they given means here I need to use weight by gram equivalent weight. Now normality I don't know. Volume given 10 ml. You have to convert into liters. Ml into liters means just by divide by 1000 equal to weight is 12.7. What is the equivalent weight of I2? Here n factor is 2, sir. This is not first time I discuss, even recent classes also. Even iodometric titration also I discussed that one. Please check it. Gram equivalent weight equal to gram molecular mass by n factor. N factor is 2. I2, 1 iodine is 127. 2 iodine means 254. I2 molecular weight is 254, sir. By n factor is 2. How much you will get? 127. Substitute here, 127. What is the n equal to we are getting? Let me know that one. By solving how much you are getting? 10. Yes, yes. Now very good. Most of the people are giving correct answers. Very good, sir. Very good. I'm explaining who are not understanding. Already who are done, please be patient. Okay. I'll give one more question. N equal to 10. Already you know that one. 1 normality equal to 0.5 molarity. Okay. Or 1.7 W by V percent. Is it correct? Equal to 17 gram per liter equal to 5.6 liter O2. Anything, na? But we are asking here just molarity. So 1 normal equal to 0.5 means 10 means how much, sir? Otherwise, you know, normality equal to molarity into n factor. So normality is 10, molarity, I don't know, n factor is 2, then m equal to 5. Otherwise, you can use 1 normal equal to 0.5 means 10 normality equal to how much? X, you can calculate. 1 normal equal to 1.7, then 10 normal equal to how much? The first question is this. Second question they're asking, I think so normality got. What is the question, sir? Molarity. Okay, okay. So this is molarity and this is normality, already got it. 10. Then W by V percent you can write. Third one, W by V percent, means 1.7 W by V percent equal to 1 normal. Then 10 normal equal to how much? X. X equal to 17 W by V percent. Any doubt, please check. Any doubt, please check it. Kaushik Babu, I2 mark weight is 254. How I can say that is? I can't derive that one. Na? I2 mark weight is 254. That's how to get from periodic table. Na? Periodic table you have to get. I'm not able to create that value. Huh? I2 mark weight is 254. Otherwise, remember that one. W by V is not strength of solution, that is percentage strength. Percentage means per 100. Per 100. Just directly strength of solution means that is gram per liter. No, that is percentage strength. They mentioned the question very clearly. Yes, volume strength will be 56. Very good. Volume strength should be 56 if they are asking. Yes. Priya Lakshmi, you have to use same relation. Very good. Just we have to connect what the question they given. Now we learn concept. If you are able to connect both means you are succeed, sir. You got 100% everything. Only thing is which you are discussing question, you are able to connect to our concept or not. That is the only important point here. You are able to connect means very good. You got it. Nothing is here. Even you can do more than me very easily. Only starting problem for you people because you are learning first time. Once you understood, you will get, sir, easily. Than me, you can solve most of the questions. Shall we discuss one more question, if you don't mind? This is the relation. Huh? You have to remember 1 normal equal to this much means 10 normal equal to how much? Like again, stoichiometric calculations. Will we discuss one more question? Strength of solution you need. That is 170. No, you are getting strength of solution is 170. Because 1 normal equal to 17 means 10 normal equal to 117. Any doubt? Sudarshan K. Please check it. Yeah. Shall we do one more question if you don't mind? Ultimately you have to get perfectly today. Give me 1 minute time. I can find out for you. Okay? Okay, solve it. I didn't talk anything. Huh? First thing. Okay. 0.3 m 50 ml of K2Cr2O7 reacted with 30 ml of S2O2 in acidic medium. So calculate normality, molarity, W by V percent, W by, sorry, strength of solution, sir. I'm writing strength of solution. Clear? And one more is there, now what is that? Volume of O2. At STP, sir. I'm taking it STP condition. Right? Yes, sir. మీరు కూర్చోవాలంటే కూర్చోవచ్చు ఏం కాదు. మీరు ఏమైనా వర్క్ ఉంటే మీరు చేసుకోవచ్చు. అవునా? సారీ సార్. Hey, given answers very fast. Sorry, I didn't see your SMS. Sorry for that. Why you are not able to see on screen? (0.3 m 50 ml of K2Cr2O7 react with 30 ml of S2O2 in acidic medium. Calculate normality, molarity, W by V percent, strength of solution, volume of O2 at ST. Very simple. First your target is normality. Find out. I know only one thing, one formula, gram equivalent number of K2Cr2O7. The acidic medium, keep in mind, I given very clearly, equal to gram equivalent number of H2O. So here they given 0.3 is the molarity. What is the N factor, sir, for K2Cr2O7? K2O7 N factor in acidic medium. I hope you know very well. This is Cr3 plus. It converted into Cr3 plus. So this is plus 6. Difference is 3. This is 6 plus 6 and difference is 3. But how many chromium? 2 into 2. 6. You have to calculate per molecule. You are expert to calculate. I'm just doing it slowly. And molarity is, you know that one, normality and molarity relation. Normality equal to molarity into N factor. Molarity is 0.3. N factor is 6. I calculated right now only here. 6 into volume. What we can take, sir? How much they given? 50. Equal to, here also 30 ml they mentioned, but normality I don't know. I'm going to be calculating. ml, here you don't want to convert into liters because 50 ml, this is also 30 ml. You don't want to calculate anything. You don't want to convert into liters. Okay, fine. I will see your answers, not everything. Then N equal to how much we'll get, sir? N equal to 0.3 into 6 into 50 by 30. So can I calculate cancel? How much, sir? This is 0.1. I think so. 3 we are getting normality. Is correct? Or any other? Fine. Then everything is correct. Molarity equal to, what is the normality and molarity relation? Again, same. Molarity into N factor is 2. So normality is 3. Molarity is how much? N factor 2. This is molarity equal to 1.5. Any doubts, please you can ask, sir. We are doing one by one. And a very good response from you people. Good. What's the next one? W by V percent. I will give that, so you need to calculate. Only one relation which you are doing. Only one relation, that is 1 normal equal to how much, sir? 1.7 W by V percent. Then 3 normal equal to how much? Calculate X value. Okay. Similarly, 1 normal equal to 17 gram per liter strength of solution. Then 3 normal equal to how much? Next case, 1 normal equal to 5.6 liters. Then 3 normal equal to how much? Calculate. Devadarshan, today I will do that one, but carefully listen one or twice because that is time limit. That is the reason little bit I made and fast. but carefully you can do that one. Which equation you need, sir? Dhanush, which one you are expecting equation? Here I didn't write any equation, I think so. But still, you are expecting any equation? Let me see. 5.151, 16.8. Which one that 16.8 is oxygen? Okay, fine. Okay. Okay. I'm right. I wrote actual question. You can see it. If anything mistake is there, sorry for that one. Check it. I think I wrote this question. This is the question. You may can check it, sir. Yeah. I think so. If you're able to see screen, please check it. Surely we'll get whatever you done today. Any other? Shall I change it? No need, no need. If you've done something by using other value, you can proceed that is. Don't change. That is one question. Other question. We need only process. Okay. We need only process. We are J students. We don't want by head anything. We need to understand concept. Clear? If any value by mistakenly noted down, assume that one, that's exactly according to that value you can calculate. But to done same process or not, you can check it. One more question, sir. Let's search for one previous NET JE question, but within short time I am not able to finding this is. So we can do our regular question. I'm writing one more question. Please note down that is. This question may be little bit tricky means that's you need to try. Huh? If you're not getting, it doesn't matter. I'm going to give you answer. Right. 5.1 gram sample of 5.1 gram sample of H2O2 solution containing X% H2O2 by weight. Yes, this type only for H2O2. Volume strength is only for H2O2. You won't get any others. Only H2O2. Here by weight. Next, it requires XML of K2Cr2O7 solution for complete oxidation under acidic solution. What is the molarity of Cr2O7 solution? Okay. What is the molarity of K2Cr2O7 solution? Ray Ashwati Iyer, please look. Percentage means per 100 ml you are going to be calculate. Strength means per liter. Extra 10 you have to multiply that. Strength means gram per liter. Percentage means per 100 ml. Liter means 1000 ml. Na? That's why. Answer given. You are too good. Well, Pranav, superb. Swati, good. Very good. Very good. Girish Kanal, super. Atish, good, good, good. Didn't expect. This is the question, sir. Shall we do? This percentage meaning if you got, then over, sir. This X% means for how many grams? Again, simple formula. Whatever they given, very simple. Gram equivalent number of K2Cr2O7 equal to gram equivalent number of H2O. But here in terms of weight they given, you have to think that one. This should be right in terms of weight by equivalent weight. This is in terms of volume they are asking means we can take N into V. So here I am going to be do 100 grams of, suppose sample you are taking 100 grams of H2O2 solution contain how much, sir? Suppose 100 grams of sample contain X grams of H2O2. Okay, the percentage they are given, that's why I am taking. For 5.1 contain how much, sir? 5.1 gram sample contain how much? And that value you can get here, question mark, that's equal to 5.1 into X by 100. Clear? Otherwise, this X percentage of 5.1 means make and write 5.1 into X percentage, X by 100. Directly you can write, otherwise you make and check it. This is the weight of H2O2, sir, which you are discussing for grams means that is weight of H2O2, pure H2O2. Can you write equivalent weight? This is weight they given means what is the equivalent number, sir? Gram equivalent number equal to given weight by gram equivalent weight. Is correct? We can substitute here maybe 5.1 to x by 100, okay, into equivalent weight is 70. This is the equivalence. So then I'm going to be calculate, sir, here. I'm equaling gram equivalent number of K2Cr2O7 equal to gram equivalent number of S2O2. So here normality into volume, sir. X ml they given. This is grams means you need to convert into liters by 1000. Can get here 5.1 into x by 100 into 17. So x will be cancelled. And calculate n equal to how much we will get. You can check it, sir. N equal to how much? I think so. Is it 3? Please check it. Anything wrong? 3. Once you got normality, molarity equal to, molarity equal to normality by n factor. Normality is here 3, n factor is 6. Nothing should get 0.5. Here. So please note down. Think again what we done. So try it. Already I shared some books. You can try from that. Solved examples also is there, as well as question and answer also is there. Please check and solve the problems. Clear. Thank you. I think so. Class is over. I think so. 3:20. You can leave. If you have any queries, you may can ask. That is equivalent weight. Sudarshan, this is equivalent weight. GN means weight by equivalent weight. Na? Weight is 51, 5.1 into this is. By equivalent weight is 17. I can write now 1 by 17 also. S2 equivalent weight is how much? 34 by 2 n factor. How much will get? 17 only, no? That's right. Red time change that one. Class up to 3:30. Let me see that one. I think so. This time is not changing. I thought. Okay, the changes time. Fine. Okay, you may can ask doubts, otherwise your wish. Now I'm not going to teach anything because already some people they left. Anand, I think so. 11 TN, there is TN periods. One thing you have to remember very clearly. I'll explain that is shortly. First thing, please change your mindset. You are not the kids and you are not studying for LKG, you are not studying LKG, UKG. Okay? Or you are not studying 10th standard. Now we joint purpose is target IIT JEE. What is the meaning of you are giving homework that one? Just satisfying of your parents and you. That's the thing, simple thing. Now we are giving some homework, we are making you something busy. That is the thing. But you are the people, you are highly motivated, you have to think about your target. By doing every day 10 to 15 questions, we may can get a little bit only. But we are completing by week one chapter. Suppose Narendra was the book, whatever you have textbook. If you done that, suppose concepts is completed, you can do that is parallelly, that maybe 100 or 200, doesn't matter any questions. That's we need to do. Why 10, 15 concepts, sir? This is for minimum students who are done just average student, below average student, who are not study at home. Then they are playing mobile games, they are telling something, so many reasons to their parents. Na? For them, this is we are using, sir. For them, this is we are using. You know that one? So anyway, our inbuilt homework is there. Theory first, plus followed by 10 to 15 sums. Already have material, all textbook, I shared that one. From that, we can choose anything. Are all titrations completed? Any question you can do right now. Any question. Okay, very simple here. I got weight is 5.1 gram. Array, we may can take, sir. Now only 5 minutes. We can take break. Now next class we can take. Array, here they mention very clearly, sir. 5.1 gram sample of H2O solution contain X% H2O. Okay. You can write directly 5.1 into X by 100, or we may can think 100 grams contain X% means 5 grams contain how much? You can write 5.1 into X by 100. Otherwise, you can write directly whatever that weight into X percentage. 5.1 into X by 100, either you can write, or 100 grams contain X, then 5.1 contain how much? Clear? Okay, thank you very much. We'll meet next class. Do homework properly, sir. Thank you.